Viewers, welcome to another edition of the latest news of war affairs. Viewers, a delegation led by the Prime Minister of Ethiopia, Dr. Abiy Ahmed, has arrived in Turkey a short while ago. As we have been confirmed, the aim of this trip is to open the meeting of the interest of Turkey and Africa. The relationship between the countries and the economy will not be absent from the search for support now Ethiopia hold Turkey. On the other hand, according to the sources, security forces allied to Ethiopia army are rounding up and killing Tigrayan civilians in a fresh wave of ethnic violence in the country brutal war. Viewers, key points. Rights groups say Amhara forces are systematically detaining, torturing and starving Tigrayan civilians. Those fleeing the crackdown in western Tigray were attacked with matches and axes. The United Nations is considering whether to send international investigators to the region. Amnesty International and Human Rights Watch said armed groups from the Amhara region were responsible for a recent surge in horrific abuses in the long contested western part of Tigray. Viewers, in November and December, Amnesty and documented Amhara forces systematically detaining, torturing and starving Tigrayan civilians, including and the elderly living in the disputed region. Some of those trying to flee the crackdown in western Tigray were attacked with matches and axes by Amhara militias and regional security forces, while others were taken away on trucks and remain unaccounted for. Without urgent international action to prevent further atrocities, Tigrayans, particularly those in detention, are at grave risk. Amnesty Director of Crisis Response said in a statement. Viewers, the warnings come as the United Nations Human Rights Council prepares to hold a special session on Friday to consider whether to appoint international investigators to probe widespread violation during Ethiopia's 13-month war. Both lay claim to western Tigray, and when war erupted more than a year ago, Amhara sided with Addis Ababa and sent its regional forces to retake lands. The United Nations has expressed worry over reports of large-scale displacement from western Tigray, where the United States has previously warned of ethnic cleansing. Viewers, a spokesman for Amhara regional government did not immediately respond to requests for comment. Atrocities on all sides. Amnesty and said deliberate attacks on civilians and forced explosions violated the law of war, and those responsible should be identified and face accountability. Viewers, the conflict has killed thousands of people, displaced more than 2 million, and driven hundreds of thousands into famine-like conditions, according to United Nations estimates. Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed sent troops into Tigray in November 2020 after accusing the region ruling party of attacks on federal army camps. The Nobel Peace declared victory of the Tigray People Liberation Front, but rebel fighters staged a shock comeback, recapturing most of Tigray and pushing into neighboring Afar and Amhara. The rebels reportedly reached around 200 kilometers of Addis Ababa by road, but in recent weeks, the battle lines have shifted as pro-government forces have reclaimed strategic town. Fighters on all sides have been accused of atrocities including sexual violence, extrajudicial murder, and ethnically motivated crimes. This month, accused TPLF rebels of summarily executing dozens of civilians into Amhara towns they briefly controlled between August and September. So viewers, this is the latest update about it. For more latest report, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.